Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is this awesome Happy Beauty Days Advent Calendar from Target. Cost $20 and has an $86 value. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm really excited to delve into this $20 Target beauty calendar. I feel like this is so fun to do an Advent, and especially for 20 bucks, I feel like that's super reasonable. And I'm excited to see what's in here. I have not looked at any other reviews. I just wanted to be surprised. So let's go ahead and get started with day number 1. And it's this one right here. So let's see what we have here. Okay, looks like eye drops, Lumify. These are actually excellent. They get, if you don't sleep well or you have any sort of allergy irritation, these really do clear out your eyes. They make them look absolutely stunning. These are not cheap either, so this is amazing for the value. So the claims are that it works in just a minute and it lasts up to 8 hours. I would say that's pretty accurate. I've used these a number of times. I usually pick them up off Amazon and they are not cheap. So this is actually a really good day number 1. Difficulty getting into any advent calendar. I recently did a L'Oreal advent calendar. If you guys haven't seen it, I'll link it up in the eye below. I'll link it up in the eye. You can check that out after this one. Boy, did I have trouble getting into that advent calendar, but it was so much fun. Okay. Oh, we have a e.l.f. Lash Extender Mascara. So this lengthens and is defining. And I have actually never tried an e.l.f. mascara, so I'm really looking forward to it. I've heard a lot of really good things about e.l.f. products, and I'm here for it. So full-size mascara. We're off to a good start with day number 2. Let's go for day number 3. And I have been loving advent calendars this year, you guys. When I saw this one was 20 bucks, I was like, yes, please, let's go for it. So what's behind door number 3? Well, this is not an easy calendar to get into either. So I guess I can't blame the L'Oreal advent calendar for being so hard to get into. All right, so this is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion. This is actually really, really nice, you guys. So it is a lotion, and the reason that it's called Glotion is it has a nice glow to it. It's so pretty. I would say definitely around this time of year when everyone's feeling a little like they need some color to their skin, this is ideal, especially for those holiday parties coming up. That's actually a really, really nice item for day number 3. Let's see what's under what's behind this fabulous little door. And oh, it looks like a Physicians Formula item. I'm a huge fan of Physicians Formula. Their products are affordable, but they're also really, really good. And so this is a liquid bronzer. Ooh, I could use a good liquid bronzer. And Physicians Formula has really, really good products. Okay, let's see. Well, hey, I'm sharing this so you can see all the details, so I might as well show you what this is gonna look like on the skin. Ooh, that's got some color there. Ooh, that's nice. So this is the bronzer. I mean, what a nice slip. That is not gonna pull at all. You're gonna get it where you want it on your face. It's gonna blend like a dream. It's like butter. In fact, I think that's what it's called. Butter Glow Liquid Bronzer. So now you know. It is like butter, and this looks like a really good liquid bronzer. I'm really excited to try this out. Okay guys, so this is super fun. Let's just keep going. It's always more exciting when you have good items and you keep getting ones that you're pleased about, and I'm not disappointed with any of these items. They're all really good so far. So hopefully we'll keep up that streak. And day number 5, okay. Let's see. Oh, it's a lip ornament. Oh, I love they give you an ornament. And of course, it's a beauty calendar. They should be giving us a lip ornament. That is adorable, you guys. Look how pretty. Okay. I love everything that is in the calendar so far, but like this just made it the bomb in my opinion. Look how beautiful that is. I'm really excited to put this on my tree, and I am 100% gonna get this for my mom and my sister and my sister-in-law for them to open, because I feel like so far everything in it is amazing, usable, functional, and good quality items. And this just sealed the deal for me because I love this. Everyone in my family would love this. So we're getting this for all the ladies in my family to open. Oh, this is such a good Target calendar. I must say I'm pleasantly surprised. I didn't really have great expectations for a $20 advent calendar, but this is amazing. All right, let's go on to day number 6. I will say it doesn't do anything for your nails, guys. All right, let's see. All right, I'm not sure what this is. It's wrapped up. Here we go. Finally got it out. Oh, goodness. All right, so, oh, it looks like a lip oil. And look how nicely it's packaged. That way, if anything does leak, it's not going to ruin the entire calendar and get all over your goodies. So that was genius on their part. This is a Revlon lip oil. It looks amazing. It's the Super Lustrous Glimmer. So it looks beautiful. Let's go ahead and have a look. Okay, I will say they sealed it really, really well. And that's great because lip oils have been known to leak and they really do wreak havoc on everything in its path. So well done to Revlon or Target, whoever packaged this item to put in the calendar. Nice doe foot applicator. And let's go ahead and see. Ooh, that is so creamy and smooth. That's going to be a nice lip oil, you guys. And this time of year with the super dry weather and the heating, at least in my house, is going on, it's drying me out like crazy. My skin, my lips. This is exactly what I need this time of year. So I'm excited to have this. All right, let's move on to day number 7. And oh, looks like we have a blush. e.l.f. It's the Halo Glow Beauty Wand Blush. It has a cushion tip applicator, and I am here to try this. This looks beautiful. The color story on here looks like a nice pinky champagne. I decided to get this set. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Look at that. That most beautiful sort of pinky, peachy blush. That is stunning, you guys. I am here for this. And that cushion applicator is just a dream. That is so nice to be able to just, you know, put it where you want on your cheeks, and then you're just gonna, and it blends like butter. There's not gonna be any pulling on your cheeks. That is beautiful. It has a nice sort of glow to it. I hope the camera can pick that up for you, but it really does have a really nice sort of glow. That's pretty. It's called Candlelit. And I have a feeling I would have gotten this shade even without the calendar. So the fact that I'm getting this and all the other items in this calendar is next level amazing. So this is a really good calendar, guys. I can't believe it's only 20 bucks. What's even more amazing is I saw it on sale recently for $14. So keep an eye out. It could go on sale. You could get it for even cheaper than 20 bucks. All right, guys, we're moving on to day number 8. And my excitement just keeps mounting because everything's so good in here. All right, what is this? Oh, another e.l.f. product. I have heard so many good things about e.l.f. I'm really excited to try these items, and this is a great way to do it. So this is the Power Grip Primer, and it's just kind of like that super nice kind of grippy primer, which I am here for. I really like the Milk Makeup Grippy Primer. And this looks like it is just like that. So I'm really excited to try that out. Ooh, yes. So this is kind of, it reminds me a little bit of the Milk primer. It's a little bit tacky, but a little less tacky than the Milk. So if you don't like one that's too grippy, this might be better. The Milk Makeup has got some, I mean, it's an adhesive on your face. This one also has a nice grip to it, which I really appreciate. It's just not quite as severe. So I'm excited to try this Power Grip Primer. Guys, we're down to day number 9, and let's see what's behind door number 9. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that pink. That is gorgeous. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Volume Mascara Hydrofuge, and I really do enjoy a good Wet n Wild mascara, so I'm excited to try this one. Looks like a nice brush, and I love the color pink that it's packaged with. It's beautiful. So a full-size mascara, yes please. Behind this door, ooh, okay, a nail polish by Sally Hansen, and I love the Instant Dry. So behind door number 10, we have the Instant Dry. This is the Hollow Glow, and I love a good Sally Hansen Instant Dry. It's so convenient. Sometimes I have chipped nails and I'm trying to run out the door and I don't have time to wait for it to dry. These are the best. They dry so fast and they have beautiful colors. I really like this one. I mean, this just screams holiday to me. It looks stunning, you guys. I am really excited to try this one out. And gosh, it has all the sparkles. All right, I'm excited for this one. That looks amazing. I love this shade. This is called On the Glow, and it is such a pretty glowy shade. So yay for that one. We're gonna hit number 11 next, and we're almost to the end. Okay, let's see, what is this? Okay, so this looks like little suction cups. Okay, so it says it is a cell phone suction mount. So it's cute. I guess it's for decoration. So I'll have to look into that further, but that's a really cute idea. Day number 12 is next, and drum roll. Ooh, it's an e.l.f. sunscreen. Okay, so this is the Whoa Glow. So the theme of this calendar clearly is glowing. All the things have glow in them. This is the Sun Touchable Whoa Glow Broad Spectrum 30 SPF sunscreen and makeup primer. I love it has sunscreen and a primer in one. Sounds amazing. So it says apply evenly, generously at least 15 minutes before sun exposure and reapply every 2 hours. So I'm excited for this. This is the Sheer Peach Shimmer. Let's see. Okay, so there it is. Let's put this here. All right, let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. All right, so that's a nice pinky shade that's going to blend into the skin. It's not going to give you that white cast, which is just beautiful. And then, of course, it has this natural sort of glow. So you can wear this with foundation on top or without, and it's just beautiful. I'm really excited for that one as well. All right, guys, what did you think of this calendar? Let's do a quick recap. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, and I'd love it if you'd subscribe. But let's go ahead and do a quick recap. So it came with this gorgeous lip ornament. Yes, please, and thank you. Here we have the e.l.f. Halo Glow. This is the blush. Beautiful, great applicator. Also got the Lumi eye drops that just gets the red out. It's so, so good, you guys. We got 2 mascaras. One by Wet n Wild, the Volume Mega Lash, and then one by e.l.f., the Lash Extender, lengthening and definition. I'm always here for a good mascara, and these look like some really, really good ones, so I'm excited for those 2. So from e.l.f., we got ourselves a nice grippy primer, as well as this really nice size. I want to say this is, yeah, this is 1.69 fluid ounces, so a pretty large size of the sunscreen. It has a nice tint to it. It's not going to give you white cast. And this is the SPF 30. So not only is it a sunscreen, it's also a primer, and I'm always here for that. So I'm really excited to get this one. Ourselves some really good size tubes here. We've got the Lumi Glotion by L'Oreal, and we also got the Butter Glow Liquid Bronzer by Physicians Formula, both amazing beauty brands. I'm excited to try both of these, and I'm absolutely here to glow. So we also got this cute little decoration that goes on your iPhone. I am way excited for this Revlon lip oil. This looks amazing, and I can't wait to put it on my lips. And the last item in this calendar is the Instant Dry Hollow Glow by Sally Hansen. I'm a huge fan of this, so thankful to get it. Love this amazing color. This is on the glow, and it looks so beautiful. So do I feel like we got our money's worth out of this $20 advent calendar? 100%. Yes, I do. Look at all these goodies, amazing brands, really good, practical, usable items. And my absolute personal favorite is this gorgeous ornament. And so I 100% feel like this advent calendar is 100% worth the 20 bucks. Get it for yourself, get it for a friend, get it for your sister, your mother, your sister-in-law, any loved ones you think would enjoy this. And the price can't be beat. You're getting a lot of amazing products, great brands for the money. So I'm 100%, this is a good advent. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like it. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, and I can see you in my next video. And until next time, bye guys.